I beg you, oh, me guide them, Father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me, Jehovah. Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me, cause me heart too clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I basically just wanted to tell you all about this edge control that I'm using. Now, if you've been subscribed to me, then you already know that I usually use Sheisbombcollection Edge Control. But the last time that I picked some up from my hair store, I bought 3, and all 3 of those jars were just caca. So I don't know what's up, if it was a bad batch or it was old or what, but I haven't been in a rush to buy anymore. Now, how I ended up getting this particular edge control, when I first started using edge control, the first brand that I got was a brand from Dollar Tree, and it was the Lusty brand. That brand is pretty good, but then I started, experimenting with the different edge controls that I was seeing on YouTube and on Instagram. So long story short, I was trying to get the original Lusty edge control. They didn't have anymore, so I ended up with this one. And this one is the Softee Perfect Edge Control. It's a 2-ounce container. It says that it's enriched with olive oil and aloe. And yeah, it really does, it's doing what it's supposed to do. I mean, for $1, comparing it to the other Dollar Tree brand that I used to use, it does get a little bit slippery, after a few minutes, not a few minutes, I'll say 20-30 minutes. But I'm not too for sure about that, because I did use the blow dryer after I put edge control on her hair, so that may have had something to do with it melting or whatever. But I'm very satisfied with how these braids turned out with this brand. For me to take a chance with this brand and with this much hair, I'm very satisfied. So for those of you who just need a quick little dry edge control, you on the go, you ain't trying to spend a bunch of coins. For those of you that want to practice braiding but you don't want to use any expensive edge control, or for those of you who just don't feel like buying no expensive edge control, I'm letting y'all know this edge control at Dollar Tree for $1 is pretty good. Now, I did end up using 2 full jars for this style, but I may just be a heavy-handed person, so yeah. This is my first time doing feeding braids since October. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I hurt my hand, and I believe I said it in one of these videos, and it still gives me some pain or whatever, but I felt like it was time for me to start back doing braids, because I didn't want to just retire the braids. I wanted to, I just started, I want to keep going. So anyways, another thing, I didn't have enough storage to record the whole hairstyle, but I will show you how it turned out in the ending. And yeah, thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. I love y'all so much.
sometime. Yeah, there's lots of thoughts on my mind, and I don't know which way to go, but I